be adding some lights to the engine compartment today. Y'all stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Clint. I've had use for some underhood lighting before. After we've been wheeling at night, you know, and trying to air up and everything, my compressor I have to hook up to the battery. Well, you pop the hood and most of the time it's pretty dark, and fumbling around for your phone trying to see everything, it's kind of a pain in the butt. And it's kind of strange to me that FCA doesn't put a hood light when you pop the hood. Light comes on. I don't know, it never really dawned on me, but I don't think any Jeep I've ever had has had a hood light. Not that those things ever put out a lot of light, but a little bit would help, especially when it's dark. Dr. 4x4 sent me this hood light kit, and it looks like a pretty simple install. Shouldn't take too long at all, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the light kit. I just took it out of the box. It was packaged really well. I had to destroy the box to get it open, but it's pretty simple. You've got your two LEDs right here. Everything's already connected, hooked together. It has a really nice sealed switch to turn it on and off. It's fused, and here's your battery leads. These are going to attach with 3M tape. I kind of like that because if you end up not liking the deal, it's real easy to take off, and if you want to readjust, pull the 3M tape off, put you some new 3M tape on there, and put them wherever you want them. Alright, I've popped a couple of these rivets out for this heat shield, and I'm going to end up putting some more body tabs back in there just to hold it up there. But what you're going to do is you're going to take this end of the wiring harness, the battery end, and just kind of snake it down underneath here till you get it run out the bottom. Pull enough of it through to get your switch through. The wires for these lights, one of them's shorter than the other, and the way I'm doing this, the short end is going to go on the passenger side and the longer end will go to the driver's side. So I'm just going to run this light up under this heat shield. Pull it out right there. Do the same thing for the other side. Now once I've got my wires pulled over here, I'm going to hook, the red to positive, black to negative. Now after you've taken some rubbing alcohol and wiped this down real good, peel this backing off this 3M tape and put it where you want it. I think right there should do. Once you've got them mounted up, flip the switch, and you got light. Alright. I think I'm going to take a piece of 3M tape, put on the bottom of the switch, and just stick it right there so that it's in a good spot. Open up your hood, it's easily accessible, and it's not rattling around. Install is done. Took about maybe 15 minutes. Now we got a little light under the hood when we need it. I don't know that it's going to put out a lot of light, but when it's dark, every little bit helps. If any of you guys are interested in this light kit, check the link in the description. You guys can get one for yourself. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, keep the shiny side up and Jeep on.